All right, so I'm gonna create the drone body. We'll close out of everything. File, new, design. Okay, so we'll start with the dimensions, or actually we'll start with the square sketch, rectangle, define from the center point. So do 150 millimeters by 150 millimeters. We'll hit pull command, pull up 30 millimeters. Then select tool. So click this face and hit the sketch mode. Then the move grid. We're going to go up 30 millimeters, enter, click circle, the circle in the center, and circle 50 millimeters, and sketch. Okay, now go to blend tool, click this face, and ruled segments. Finish the sketch, finish the roll. Same thing with this side. This face, go to sketch mode, click move grid, click this guy, come down 60 millimeters, click circle, click the center of your circle, and 100 millimeters. And the sketch editing, click the blend tool, blend from this face, hold control, click this face, ruled segments, finish. Then the main body is completed. Hit select. So now we're going to select the edges, triple click until you get the full round. The pull command, you want to put 20 millimeter fillet radii. So now hit the select tool. Same thing goes with this side. Okay. Double click, pull. It's going to be 20 millimeter radii. Now this 20 millimeter radii. Millimeter radii. Millimeter. Millimeter. Okay, so the main part of our Phantom 4 is almost complete. And we'll do another circle here. So be 50 millimeters in diameter. Hit the P or pull command. You're going to pull this out. So drag it out 10 millimeters. Okay. Main body is complete. Hit escape and go to hit the select tool. All right, so now what we're going to do is click on this top face here. Go into sketch mode. So go design, sketch mode, and then click the move grid. So on this grid, you're going to rotate it into 45 degrees. Okay. And then you're going to click this piece here. And you're going to go down negative 37.5 millimeters. and then hit this plan view. So now we're going to create a circle. Actually, first create a line. So from this point to 250 millimeters. Hit enter. Then you're going to create a circle. That's the 40 millimeter diameter. Enter. Then rectangle. Zoom in. Click from here to here. So 40 mm. With tab. 40 mm. Enter. Then you want to hit this trim tool. Trim and trim away these pieces here. And this rotate it, spin it. Actually, spin is the middle mouse button. So you're gonna spin it, then hit the P for pull, and 10 millimeters. Pull 10 millimeters. Okay. Now on this face here, click. Go into sketch mode. Okay. Hit the move grid. You're gonna come out 150 millimeters. Hit enter. Okay. So now what you want to do is hide this body. Then hit the plan view. Scroll in, hit rectangle, and then define rectangle from center. So you're gonna hit the center point, left click, drag out. So that's gonna be 70 by 25 mm. Spin to the side so you can see it. So hold the middle button. Hit end the sketch. It'll fill the sketch, make surface body. Hit blend for B, blend or B on the keyboard. Put these two surfaces and complete the sketch. Okay, now we've completed our drone arm. Just double click on the drone arm here, click pull, and we're going to create a 4 millimeter radius. Okay, on this is also double click there, and it's 4 millimeter radius. Now for our drone arm, it goes from 4 millimeters to 10 millimeters. So click that and then click edit as variable. And now we'll taper to 10. Click that, 10 millimeters, hit enter. So now it's 4, and then it grows to 10. You can do that on the other sides too. Here, edit as variable. Click this, 10 millimeters. Same thing with these sides. Click, edit as variable. And here, 10 millimeters. Click, edit as variable. 10 millimeters. All right. All right, hit save, Control S. You're gonna name first initial, last initial, dash drone body, and save. Okay. So now you have the drone body, the main, and the arm. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have a circular pattern of the arm and hit the direction. It's going to be about the y-axis, and circular count change to 4. Hit enter. Now you have 4 of them. All right, hit escape. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to create the landing skid. So go to click this face here, click the sketch mode, and then click the move grid button. Okay, now spin it. Double click on this arrow. Okay, so it looks like this, and now we wanna double click on this guy to make 45 degrees. So now we're gonna be sketching on this face here. So hit the plan view, rotate it around. Now right here, go ahead and click spline. So we're gonna create our landing gear right about in the middle here. And then you click, so left click once, and then left click twice about here, and left click third time about right here, and then hit escape. So see, then return to 3D mode. And what you'll notice, you spin it, your landing gear is going to be about right there. Hit escape, come in, click the line, hit M or the move command, and move the triad to the center of the body. And then hold control and rotate, okay, by 90 degrees. Enter. Okay, and now go to the blend tool, blend, and just the points, just the bottom points. So I click the bottom point, hold control, the next bottom point, check mark. Okay. Now we want to hide this body here. Okay, and triple click cylinder. And we want to make our cylinder 10 millimeters. So it's going to be 20 millimeters in diameter. So it's 10 millimeter. Bring the so now we're going to mirror this. So click plane about the x-axis. Click mirror. So it says select the mirror plane. It's our mirror plane. Select the body to be mirrored. Select this body. And that's it. Then hit escape. You've successfully mirrored this skid plane. Now go ahead and turn this and this back on. And now you have completed. And now let's clean it up. So we'll delete the plane and the curves. All right. Click on right click pattern. So hit delete empty components. Okay. And now I want to hit the combine tool. And you want to start combining it. So click, hold control. Okay. Hold control. Let's go back. We don't want that. So everything is full. Control Z. Want that. So we have this piece and this piece. Let's see if I delete this. Let's go Control Z or undo's up here. So what we'll do is we'll highlight everything. Control C, Control V. And I'm going to hit the combine tool again. Click, hold combine, hold control. Hold control. Hold control. I'm combining everything together. We have a couple parts. Delete here. Oops. Hold it on. All combine. Select everything, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now we go. Now we can combine everything. Left click. Click. If there's any duplicates, you want to delete those. Fine. Left click. Hold control, and done. So now you have a single body. Okay. Now go to change it to a different color. I'm gonna make mine red. So highlight everything, change the color, save it, and done.